Hello guys. So actually I wanted to control my electric fan with mobile phone, or I wanted to make it as a means I have smart lights which are compatible to Alexa, but I didn't find any existing solution so that I can connect my ceiling fan with Alexa. Actually there are some solution. Actually they send the means they sell the existing fan which are Alexa compatible, but I want to make my existing fan to Alexa compatible. So I am looking for a solution so that how I can convert my existing fan to Alexa compatible fan. So for that, first I need to understand that how the fan regulator, actually we can turn off and on the existing fan, means ceiling fan, with some Alexa compatible switches, but we cannot change the speed of the fan. So for that we need to understand first. I have a solution. So we need to first understand how the AC fan regulator works. So I have this fan, I have opened this. So it has 4 speed modes. So 1 2 3 and 4, and so we need to understand how this works, and then we can think about the solution to make an Alexa compatible speed control fan. So firstly it has this circuitry. I want to show this is, so it has few points which make the contact and change the speed of fan. So we have this. So this is the common for the output that goes to fan, and there are 1 2 3 4 points which are being connected on different speeds. So this is for 1, this is for 2, 3 and 4. But as you can see, there are 2 capacitor and 4 resistors. So the circuit I will show you how they are connected. So basically it has the one key point that at speed 1 this will connect with this one, at speed 2 this will be connected to this one, and at speed 3 they both are parallelly connected to this one, and speed 4 is like directly connecting in these 2 wires. So the full power, means full AC power, will go to the fan. That will be the maximum speed. So I will show you this circuit, and as also I can say that if we have 1 2 3 relays and these are connected to these points, then we can means operate this fan, means with by using this circuit we can operate this fan, this existing fan, by relays and control the speeds. So that can be easily controlled with any microcontroller. If I want to use the Alexa, then I have to control it with a Wi-Fi microcontroller, and then connect 3 relays with that to control the speed with this existing circuit. Thank you. I will be in the next video I will be using a microcontroller and relays to control the speed of fan with using this circuit only. So this is the circuit. I can show you. Wait a minute. This is the circuit. So it has 2 capacitor, this one and one this. So these are parallelly connected. This is the output which is going to fan, and this is the connectors. This is connected at the speed 1, this is connected to this one, this point. The current will pass through this RC circuit, and on the speed 2 the current will pass through this RC circuit, and at speed 3 both will be connected, and the speed means current is passing through both of the RC circuits. And at the speed 4, this one means input is directly connected to the output, which is going to fan. And the readings means values for this is this. So R1 and R3 are 220 kilo ohm resistance, and R2 and R4 are 2.2 ohms. C1 is 2.2 microfarad capacitor, and C2 is 3.3 microfarad capacitor. So we'll be controlling the fan speed with this circuit using relay in the next video.